Play, Gabriel. Play for Mama and Dada. Come on.
Mommy.
You gonna play some more? Gabriel?
No.
Mommy wants to hear you play. Gabriel. Mommy wants to hear you play the drum.
Hear you play the drum?
Play the drums for Mama.
I hope you like that.
Look at you go.
You're really working your way around the kit.
Looks like we're gonna need a drum room in the new house, Mama.
Nice.
Yes. Yeah.
You're applauded for yourself. Gabriel. He says Gabriel now. He said Gabriel.
Good job. Is it time for dinner, Mama?